Covering homelessness, public camping has been a divisive issue in Spokane and across the state. Well, today, Spokane County commissioners passed a resolution to make sure their ordinance matches federal law.
KREM 2's Caitlin Galloway was at today's meeting and is joining us now live with more on the change and what it really means. Caitlin?
That's right. Yeah, the main purpose of today's meeting was just to update the language in the current ordinance to reflect the Supreme Court decision that was made last summer.
All those in favor say aye. 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 Motion passes 4-0.
That ruling, Martin versus City of Boise, gave the city's permission to prohibit camping in public spaces. District 1 Commissioner Chris Jordan assured the community that the legislation just gives law enforcement more flexibility to stay with their current plan of action.
In our policy, we direct our deputies to, when they encounter people who may or may not be violating this ordinance, to do everything they can to gain compliance voluntarily.
Still, some community members voiced concerns that one-size-fits-all approaches cannot combat the many different circumstances that contribute to homelessness. Others urged the community to recognize that compassion and accountability are both important.
We don't want our compassion to become enabling to where it works to our disadvantage. Accountability, thank you, is critical. We need to hold each other accountable for our actions. We also need to hold those that are looking for help accountable for theirs.
The commissioners approved the legislation 4-0, but pledged their commitment to continue to find a solution that keeps all residents of Spokane safe.
One of the reasons I ran for election is I'm committed to having regional funding for more housing and getting people housed faster than what we're doing today.
In Spokane, Caitlin Galloway, KREM 2 News.